vlog tayo. Hey guys, coffee vlog tayo. Say hi. We're going camping. Huntsville State Park.
Why are we here?
See you there.
In the name of art, that we would commit ourselves.
Hey guys, so today is Friday 16 yata, yeah. Pupunta kami sa Huntsville State Park. Time check, it's 4:01. Darating kami doon 5:40. Gusto pa nito bumili ng McDonald's. Yun na siguro dinner namin pag hindi na magluluto. Okay, sabi ko first time to magka-camping ako, wala akong dalang cooler. Kasi merong provided na breakfast tomorrow at saka dinner, mga fajitas. Bayad kami $20 for the meal. Tapos so ang lulutuin ko lang talaga is lunch tapos breakfast ng Sunday. So 3 days 2 nights kami. Problema maulan. Yan, dilim, no? Okay. Wow. Actually, it's Vietnamese. It's about to fall on the side. Oh, look at that. Huntsville State Park. Time check 5:39. I hope the office is still open so I don't have to come back. It's open 6 a.m. to 10. Oh my gosh, I think it's still open. Yes sir. Still open. Entrance fee $7 per person, 12 and under free. But I have a state park pass. It's about to expire in April. Okay guys, dito na kami sa nakapili na ako ng spot. Hindi ko na ma-video kasi kailangan ko mag-setup ng mabilis bago dumilim and bago umulan. Hi guys, so this is the restaurant. It's old but it's clean. We're the only ones here. Showers. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Hi guys, dinner time. Freddy's. That's a steak burger. And look at the size of the fries. So thin. I like it. Why are you not eating the onions? Huh?
I hate onions.
Huh? Okay guys, dito na kami sa loob ng tent, no? Nagdala ako ng I am being happy. Ito kay AJ. That's your books. Okay guys, Friday night, first night, nainis ako, no? Nainis ako kasi nagmamadali ako kanina, hinabol ko yung hinabol ko yung office hours ng pag-check-inan dito sa State Park. So dumating ako 5:40. Tapos sabi ko, no, group campsite kami. We're part of a group. Sabi ko site 16, 17, 19, 20, 21. Tapos binigay ko yung pass ko, yung State Park pass ko para libre ako ng entrance. Tapos pagbalik sa akin, sabi, puno na kasi yung campsites nyo. Extra ka na. So, extra vehicle, may charge. Narinig yung mga bata. Tatakbuhan sa labas. Naka-flashlight. Sabi, extra vehicle na kayo. AJ, your hand. So, may charge na $5 per day. So, $10. So, sabi ko, what? It's only 540. 540 lang. Sabihin, punong-puno na yung campsite. Paano nangyari yun? Eh, iba galing pa sa trabaho. Yeah, maybe, a lot of people came in. Ganyan. Di talaga ako makapaniwala. Pero, what can you do? So, nagbayad na ako. Sabi, puno na daw eh. Sabi ko, di ba? Tapos pagdating ko dito, bakante pa yung dalawang, etong 9, stop AJ. Yung 19, isa pa lang ang nandito. Kasi allowed dalawang vehicle per site eh. Isa pa lang dito sa 19. So, nag-set up na ako. Doon sa 20, isa pa lang din. Di ba? Di ba nakakainis yun? Sabi, hindi ko alam kung nagtatanga-tangan or she was just too lazy to check. No? So, nainis ako. Hindi ako makatulog eh. Gusto ko na pumunta doon eh. Eh, syempre, sarado na eh. So, kailangan magang-maga pumunta ako. Nainis ako kasi hindi lang yung $10 eh. Kaya nga ako nagmamadali kasi para naka-check-in na ako, ayoko nang babalik pa doon para mag-check-in. Ngayon, babalik pa uli ako bukas ng umaga para mag-complain. 'Di ba? Sabi nila puno na, yung pala anday pang bakante pagdating ko dito and then charge pa ako ng $10. 'Di ba? So, hindi ko alam kung ano eh, parang hindi niya chinek maigi or tinatamad lang, I don't know. So, trabaho nila 'yan eh. Yun ang ano dito sa Amerika eh, basta mali 'yun. 'Di ba? Kasi part ng trabaho nila yan eh. And huwag siyang gagawa ng kwento na puno na. Nakakainis. Maybe somebody, maybe they came in, there's more people that came today. Ganyan. Maybe you can ask for a refund from your scoutmaster. May mga ganun pang kwento. Tapos pagdating mo dito, may mga bakanting spots. Early morning, andun ako. Hello guys, so Saturday morning, dumating na yung lamig kanina, madaling araw. Si AJ gininaw, nagising. Ako rin nagising ako kanina. Actually, nagising ako ng 2:30 na naginip ako eh. Okay. Tapos, nakatulog yata akong past 3 na. Anyway, ito yung campsite na. So, kasama yan. AJ, get out of the way. Yan, 120, 121, 119, ayan yung expedition. So doon kami, mamaya pakita ko yung tent namin kasi ito kasama din namin, and then yun yung may usok, pupunta kami doon sa campfire. Common yung doon yung common area, dito nagluluto sila. Tapos yan yung restroom. Sabi dito reserved to 118, pero kahapon walang tao. So pag diretso mo lang to, in a restroom. Hey Jay, look, take a picture.
I said go far away.
Hi guys, breakfast time. Pancakes and tacos. Hi guys, done with breakfast. Entrance to the trail. This is the map. Trails going that way. Hi guys, let's look at this. Snorkel, rooftop tent, steel, bull bar, hitch, and light on the mirrors. Maxi track, that's a cheap awning. Nice. Hi guys, let me show you this part of the campsite. They have cottages for rent. Look at this. Okay. And that's water. Let's check this out. Table and chairs, and for your grill. Oh, open. Nice touch. Tent RR. Okay. Trash can. Okay. Nice. Hi guys, we're hiking.
The trail is the water.
Careful.
The high spirit would have done.
This area is closed. Do not enter.
How do we get across?
They probably went up this way and went around.
Let's go.
Pretty cool, huh, guys? Oh, wow.
Don't drop it down. Don't
Matt, wave again!
Hi guys, we're back. I think it was 3 miles one way. So that's the parking lot. Hi guys, I think we did less than 6 miles of hike in this cold weather. Time for my favorite lime cucumber, pepino, limon, cucumber, lime. Alright guys, for lunch and luncheon meat. Okay, lunch. He requested this spam for lunch. Okay, we're here at the nature center.
That's a good book.
Oops.
I'm going this way.
Oh, alligator skull.
You all know what a park interpreter does? No? Well, I like to eventually I compare myself to you all know what a language interpreter. Now this little baby gator came to us from Brazos Bend State Park where they have a hatchery program. This one's about 1.5 years old. And yes, it looks cute, but I want to remind you all, when I was 1.5 years old, I also looked cute. Not cute.
No, I always did that.
You already said get in line again so I can take a picture.
Mommy needs evidence.
Doesn't count unless you got a photo for it, right? You want to
It's all cute.
Again, it's cute now, but it gets bigger.
Hi guys, so galing kami sa nature center. I think magpapack up na kami. Hindi na kami magto 2 nights, 1 night lang kami. Kasi bila nag-check engine light ako eh. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng loss of power kanina. So pinatay ko lang, tapos bumalik na lang yung power. Kaso ayun, bumalik ko lang yung power, kaso andyan pa rin yung check engine light. So hindi ako komportable na magstay dito, baka mamaya hindi ako makaalis bukas. So samantalin ko na habang umandar na uli. Kailangan umuwi na kami kasi sa bahay yung dapat dadalhin ko na palagi yung yung OBD reader. So malamang sensor lang to, baka may na-trigger dahil sobrang lamig. Anyway, nung uminit na okay na parang diesel no? Anyway, so papapack up na rin kami. Kanina ko ba pinag-iisipan umuwi kasi tomorrow Sunday off yung misis ko, tapos si AJ walang pasok hanggang Monday kasi President's Day. So gusto namin magpunta sa property, so probably tomorrow, no? So mas maganda kung umuwi na kami ngayon para maaga kami bukas. Anyway, so tara, impake tayo. Okay guys, time to go home. Okay guys, that ends our overnight camping trip here in Huntsville State Park. There's the entrance.